time. Take your time and make somebody pull it off for you. Make somebody pull it off for you. Alright, you just carry on one side and take off that. Carry on one side.
Like this video. Guys, as usual, you know me I beg likes. One of the most like the content, but you know, the boss there and I beg likes. Yeah, you know me a good boy. Just click pan like pan here, you can comment. Guys, I see this stupidness I go on forward here and I talk about it. I see the girl them have the inshore and they make the man them pull it and I empty it down them throat, guys. So it's a symbol like whenever a man I get head, him pour it and she pour it down her throat and him do him a do her explicit, so I can't explain it to that. But I see all the people post some video with it for other day. I try to avoid it, but I see this video now got me attention with this girl laying now and dance. The man a pour it down her throat and I don't know what happened. The blue part on the buckle, where you pop off the cap, stuck on fear mouth now. So I said to myself, then I saw them have them expensive juice here waste. So right now, man, run gonna dance, I buy a pack of Ensure. Ensure price gone up, Ensure case. People just buy Ensure and them a do all type of something with it, guys. Me old fashioned still, so I don't know nothing about them something here. So if you can watch a video, we all may talk. You see what happened to her? But I'm gonna play the actual clip and make on hear what go on in the dance hall in Jamaica, how the people have the good drink a waste, where people are cherish and so expensive on the share. Remember, put a like on the video, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about this video, guys. You understand? Peace.
I want to end up in the ear. Hold up your head. Hold up your head. Get up. Hold up your head. Hold this.
Big boy, they are wicked. I will normal. And the whole of that this year take them in our mouth. Alright, but watch that. Hey, try the back that you took off that. So hold on, easy baby, easy, don't do too much. Hold on. Hey, shine the light that you pull off that stainless. Blue part off of the sun for you. The blue part that might should bust all in. Might should bust the side of our mouth. To the cut off the blue part the fear. Baby, make somebody do it for you now. Clear time. Take your time and make somebody pull it off for you. Make somebody pull it off for you. Alright, you just carry on one side and take off that. Carry on one side and take it off. Carry on one side and take it off. You get it off? Alright, hold on. One more knife, cut off the back of the fear. Now somebody...
And I say more try the thing everybody talk about and I sing about. I say more try what you think. Me got back road now, brother. I'm telling you guys some money suck off for the Ensure and thing, is me. You guys have to give him firebills. Yes me. Extra cost, you know. Get with the Ensure. So you guys suck off my cock with the Ensure, brother. Suck off my cock and sprinkle Ensure all over my pangs. The Ensure catch, is me. I'm going to watch that still. And then olive, is me. One bit of something better than Ensure. Y'all done and make me broke and thing. Y'all suck off that and go on business. Me go no brother. When I tell everybody I beard or nothing, I just go in bed to sleep. And then I make like that, I feel something bite me in the night, isn't it? And I'm sleep, I feel something bite me in the brother. I wake up to blood clean. I be hands I bite up my cock. Be hands, I brush off the blood clean. My hands up on my cock. My hands up on my cock, brother. My blood clean. Never again. I said everything if I fall in there, brother. My hands up on my cock last night.
Then guys, put fun and joke aside now. For a reason as big people, because I know be big people up on the channel. No, really. You would really take your money, buy your Ensure, and have it in a public and waste it like that. Me say I have all dance with people, have all 3 cases, 4 cases just line up. You understand? And girls do it. It's like when they start do it, once a man start do it and the selector start say, yo, grab the girl and do that, it's like it's a joy for them and money pull up. Because it's just a local chopper youth sing the song, you know? A local chopper youth sing the song and you might talk about the experience. All of a sudden, all in a school. Imagine you send all a picnic at school, guys, and you see all video with them. I drink. When I say no, for buy the Ensure and drink it, you know. But when you go up on your knee and them a sprinkle it on your throat, it represent a different type of style, you understand? And why? And yet still Jamaican, them always a boss of them broke and they don't have no money, but yet still they can buy them insure under the foolishness and I waste it. You know much people who want an insure and can't afford it? And then people have it in the dance and do them something there with it. I guess it's entertainment still, but come on, man. We always gravitate to some stupidness. I don't know. I don't know. I don't see America behave so. I don't see England behave so. I don't see some other country. You understand? Them always have some little challenge thing, but I don't see them have food that waste it like that and I do all type of stupidness with it. But I guess at the dancehall culture and it's a new era, old fashioned, so maybe me dey back at time, so I don't know. But I will never take my money waste buying an insure for give my girl, for give me head or them something there and I pour down throat. That come like waste of time. You understand, guys? But all who don't know how I go on them thing I go on with the insure. So if you know a pack a barrel, you don't know about to send it come to Jamaica. Yeah, nobody send it come to Jamaica because them are waste it. Living truth. I live in truth, guys. You understand? So you don't know the boss there. I give him 2 cents on it. So as usual, me always a beg like, put a like on the video and soon in the next video. I'm out.